Hello, this is my project. Um, my research question was, what is the average weight of an American man? So I got a link right here, some research. I found the average weight is 198 pounds. I have my intro. I chose it to try to see what the healthy range of male weight is in the US. See if it's high or low compared to other countries, just stuff like that. So my questions, my sampling. I asked 30 random people in my college, wrote down a piece of paper. So then, to avoid a bias, I pretty much asked all male, regardless of age, ethnicity, location. I have my data with my chart, my graph. Basically, in the graph, it's skewed to the right. So we thought the majority of males weigh less than we thought. Then I have my hypothesis, HO, HA. I checked the conditions. Then I did the calculations, I have it on a sheet of paper, and then I have the t-test on the calculator. I have my p-value, then I have my graph. Um, the p-value ended up being greater than alpha, so we failed to reject HO. There wasn't enough evidence to reject HO, so we conclude the average weight of male Americans is not less than 188 pounds. I got my confidence interval 188.48 to 1.92. So an average at 95% confident it was between those two numbers. As a reflection, I was surprised to learn the weight of male Americans is 198 pounds. That should be on the heavier side. Then we started asking people, and then we found it was between 188 and 201. So we're keeping in check with the weight we're supposed to have. Um, just overall, though, it's higher than other countries, so I guess we are in a heavier side. So maybe try working on dieting, exercising, and yeah, that should be all. Thank you.